What's up guys, Pix here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about how I get above 3,500 followers across all my Instagram pages every single day. These are my Instagram pages. You can see here the graphs. You can see my growth rates on each of the pages and they add up to around 3,500 followers per day. It fluctuates sometimes. Sometimes the engagement becomes low and it can be around 2,500 or 3,000 followers a day. But at its peak, it's around 3,500. So basically I'm getting 3,500 followers per day. That's more followers than you'll get in your whole life. So guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about how I'm getting these many thousands of followers every single day. If you want to know how to get organic growth on Instagram, here's a video. I'll put a card up here somewhere and you can see that video to see how to get organic growth on Instagram. This video is about how I started with Instagram and how I'm getting these many followers every single day. So basically it's very easy to get followers and likes on Instagram. You just need to download this app, get free followers on Instagram, and it'll make lots of bot accounts follow you and you'll get hundreds of followers every single. Just kidding. Let me tell you how I actually got these many followers on Instagram. So guys, we're going to be talking about this account called Black White Art on Instagram, just 200,000 followers right now. But rewind back to the beginning of 2020, I started an art page as a side hustle, thinking that I could earn some commission sales and I would post my art there weekly. But even after months of posting weekly, I didn't see much growth on that page. I was in fact below 100 followers for like 2 months. Then I decided the only thing I can do to increase followers is to follow people. But I didn't know what I was getting myself into. I started following people. It was fine the first day, but the second day I got action blocked, and then I panicked and I started unfollowing people. Then I got action blocked to unfollow people. When my action block was lifted, I followed more people, got action blocked again, and then I unfollowed people, got action blocked again. Soon my action block extended to 1 week instead of 1 hour. And every time I followed too many people, my action block was so 1 week, and that made it even more difficult to increase my followers. Even after weeks of starting to follow, I was around 200 to 300 followers at that point, and it was getting really frustrating, getting action blocked again and again. I was even getting warnings that your account may be deleted because of spam activity or some external app used to get likes, but all I was doing was following people. So I thought, what can I do to get followers? After some time, I've noticed a trend. Whenever I posted, I used to get maybe 2 or 3 followers organically, not following for followers, just organically. So I thought the only way to increase followers was to post more. But there's no way I could post more because I was going to school and I didn't have any extra time to make more art. Once a week was my limit. I didn't think I could do much more. So I went to YouTube to look at some tips. I came across this channel called Bia Heza. I saw his YouTube tips and I was inspired on how he made theme pages and earned lots of money. I'll get to it later how I earn money from theme pages. So I started applying his tricks, basically for posting others' content with credit because I don't want to go to jail. I was posting others' content once a day. I started seeing some growth. I was even following people during this time. I was getting around 50-60 followers a day, but I was only posting once a day. So even with this, my growth rate wasn't that great. It took me like a month to reach 1,000 followers. And then I went back to these Bia Heza videos and realized this guy was posting like 5 to 6 times a day. So I did that. And then I suddenly saw my growth rate spike up a lot. I was getting around 150 to 200 people following me every day. Inspired by this growth rate, I decided to open many more theme pages and I grew those got action blocked. I started getting frustrated with slow growth. So I used to follow more people, get action blocked, and I kept getting frustrated. So I ended up quitting most of the accounts. And the accounts which survived for this was one anime page and one photography page. But by this time I was getting really good at growing pages and my art page was doing really well. I was gaining around 500 followers per day, but some pages I had quit while others were still growing. And then I decided to apply all my knowledge onto a new page. I put all my effort into this page for like a whole month and I managed to get account from 0 to 10,000 followers in just 40 days. I'm probably going to do a speed run 0 to 10k on my channel soon, but it won't be in 40 days because I don't have much time now. So it'll take 2-3 months, but it's going to be an entertaining video. So after this, everything was going smoothly. I had stopped following people and my accounts had reached the tens of thousands and I started getting ad requests. I was earning money also at this point through ads, but one of my pages I had spammed with too many ads and my growth rate dropped. So you have to keep this in mind. You shouldn't spam your page with too many ads. I'd say maximum keep 2 ads per week. If you're posting once a day, I'd say 1 ad. If you're posting multiple times a day, then 2 ads per week should be the maximum you put on your page. And on my art page, which is now at 200,000 followers, I even do commission work. I outsource the commissions to other and I keep the profit to myself. So that's an extra way to earn money. I've been trying drop shipping on the page, but as you have seen in my old videos, it's not doing pretty well. It's better than what it was in my last video, but it's not that well. It's probably not worth my time right now. I do plan on doing drop shipping sometime on the future, but right now it's not the time. So I know what your guys' question is, how do I find the post? What you're going to do to find the post is go to pages similar to your niche, scroll through that page and see the posts which have abnormal amount of likes compared to the other ones, and post these on your page. If you keep doing this, you guarantee to get some viral posts, and if you're doing this 4 times a day, that's going to skyrocket your growth rate, and you can reach maybe the thousands of followers per day if you do this every single day. And you could also experiment with Instagram reels to get many followers every day. I don't experiment with reels that much. I post like 1 reel a week. I think reels are being pushed right now, so reels are a good idea. You should post reels. So guys, that's my story and how I'm getting almost 4,000 followers every single day on my pages. I know in the title is written 4,000 followers, I clickbaited you, but 3,500 isn't too far. I'm just rounding it off. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please smash a like on the video. That helps the YouTube algorithm greatly. Remember to hit the notification bell to be informed for any new videos, and subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.